I feel like if you would explore and learn, you would really understand that there's so much we don't know
Mm-hmm.
as a person, and so much development is being made, so much materials being made, so much experiments are being made. You can just gather this information, and so much also people are doing some stuff that you can be part of, and you can
Mm-hmm.
help in a legwork or whatever. You can be part of a good group. What I learned so much from my time is like always look ahead, keep moving forward, and always dream, always imagine. It sounds like very basic, but anything really that here is made by people.
Mm-hmm.
So you can still make your own creativity and invention and still be successful on it, but you have to make the right, the group, the right resource too, which is just available there.
And how do people find that right group?
Well, depends. If it's engineering job, I'm sure
Mm-hmm.
there's a marketing or outsourcing corporation that's engineering. That's good in engineers. If it's an accounting job, I'm sure there's a
Mm-hmm.
professional accounting job. Just deal with people who have done it and try to get them onboarded with
Mm.
your whatever your project is. And if it's funding, like I said before, there's like virtual capitalists. And I
Yes.
think the AI also helps now